Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Josie and you're watching Aging Life and Works here in the Philippines. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today is Holy Tuesday, March 30, 2021. And for my today's video, I'll be sharing to you about the Qigong exercise. This is a Chinese exercise in which also known as the Tai Chi exercise. This is a slow movement exercise wherein you can focus on the meditation, the deep breathing, and maybe you are asking why is this done in slow movements? Because you might be thinking that this is for the elderly people, but no, the Qigong exercise is done by the slow movement because the motto here is to focus on your meditation, on the slow movement, or focus on the deep breathing. So how can you do this? How can you do the Qigong exercise? Just think that there is a water in front of you. Then of course, if there's a water in front of you, you cannot move very fast, and the tendency is to move slowly. So that is, I think, the logic of how to do the Qigong exercise or the Tai Chi exercise. This is a Chinese exercise which is practiced in early ancient times. So in this video, I'll be sharing to you a short video for the Qigong exercise. Maybe if you are familiar with the Luneta place here in the Philippines, there are always a group of Chinese people who are doing the Tai Chi exercise every morning. So without further ado, I'll be showing to you now the Qigong exercise. Come on now. So, thank you for watching my video for today, and I hope you entertained, or I hope you learned something from my video. This is the Qigong exercise, in which I think you already know this kind of slow exercise, because if you're familiar with the Luneta Park, there is always a group of Chinese people who are doing the Qigong exercise. This is fun, and I know this exercise since I was a little girl, because whenever me and my mother go to the Luneta Park, I usually saw a group of people, men and women, even younger people are also doing the Qigong exercise. And from then, I wish also that I can practice that when I have a chance of knowing the steps for the Qigong exercise. So until here, I hope you enjoy also my video, and for those who would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please hit the notification bell button into all so that you will be notified when I upload.